Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you all? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. It's me, Mahbooba Binte Delwar, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal Version School. Today I am going to conduct a math class for the student of class 5. Chapter 4 is our today's topic. The name of this chapter is Mathematical Symbols. There are lot of mathematical symbols we use to do mathematics. We will gather knowledge about these symbols today. The symbols which is we use to write numbers is called numerical symbols. There were 10 numerical symbols, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And sometimes we use plus, minus, multiplication and division sign. For doing math, this is called operational symbol. And you know, sometimes we used greater than sign, less than sign, equal sign, not equal sign, greater than or equal, less than or equal, not greater than, not less than. All this sign is called relation symbols. Now, what is open sentence? A sentence is called open when we do not know whether it is true or false. Mathematical statement. A sentence is mathematical statement if it can be determined to be true or false. Here is the example. Like 8 is an even number. This is a mathematical statement because we know this one is true. 8 is an even number and we know this is true. This one is mathematical and here is x is an even number. Here follow x is an even number. The value of x we didn't know. If it will be 8, then this sentence is true. If it is 9, this sentence is not true. It will be false. So, we didn't know whether it is true or false. So, this sentence is called open sentence. Now, student, go exercise 4. The question number 1 is express the following sentences in mathematical sentences and identify open and mathematical sentences. Question number 2. Here is the question is subtracting x from 42 equals 35. So, first we will write the mathematical sentences. That means here says that x subtracting from 42. So, we can write 42 subtract x is equals to 35. So, it is an open sentence. Now, follow the question number 4. Find the value of x that makes the following mathematical sentences true. That means we calculate the value of x. Question number 4, sub number 5. You can write or 8 plus x. So, 8 plus x is equals to 9. Now, subtracting 8 from both sides, 8 minus 8 plus x is equals to 9 minus 8. Now, x is equals to 1. Now, number 6. Here first we will divide both sides by 6. So, the answer will be or x minus 4 divided by 6. We can write this one by this way. x minus 4 divided by 6 is equals to 6. Now multiplying both sides by 6, or x minus 4 divided by 6 multiplied by 6 is equals to 6 multiplied by 6, or here is this 6 and this 6 we will divide it. So here x minus 4 is equals to 36, or x minus 4 plus 4, to vanish this 4, is equals to 36 plus 4, adding 4 on both sides, or x is equals to 36 plus 4 is equals to 40. Therefore, the answer is x is equals to 40. Now, my dear student, go the question number 5. The question is, the price of X packet of biscuits with one bottle of drink was Y taka, a packet of biscuit costs 18 taka and a bottle of drink 12 taka. First question is, write a mathematical sentences to first question is, write a mathematical sentence to show the relationship between x and y. Second one is, find the value of y when x is 10, and third one is, find the value of x when y is 120. First one, the price of a packet of biscuit is 18 taka. Therefore, the price of x packet biscuit is 18x taka. The price of a bottle of drink is 12 taka according to the question. So, the mathematical sentence is 18x plus 12 is equals to y. Now, question number 2. From 1 we have y is equal to 18x plus 12 is equals to y. We can write this sentence like this way, y is equal to 18x plus 12. So, y is equal to 18 multiplied by 10 plus 12, because here is the value of x is 10. So, here is 180 plus 12. So, here is 0 plus 2 is equals to 2, 8 plus 1 is equals to 9, and here is 1. So, the answer is y is equals to 192. Question number 3. From 1 we have y is equals to 18x plus 12. We can write y is equals to 120 and is equals to 18x plus 12. Now, so we can write this one also this way, 18x plus 12 is equals to 120, or 18x is equals to 120. Here is plus sign. So, when it convert this right side, then the sign will be changed. So, here will be minus 12, or 18x is equals to 108. Or 18x divided by 18 is equals to 108 divided by 18. Dividing both sides by 18, or the answer x is equals to 6. That's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. My dear student, keep practice in a lot. Stay well and see you again inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.